Hello everyone, in this Figma tutorial video I will show you how to create shapes in Figma software. So for this we have to create a Figma file. Previous video I showed how to create Figma file. If you watch this video then you can create the Figma file. So after create the Figma file you have to click here like this, and here you see the various types of shapes: rectangle, line, arrow, ellipse, polygon, star, and here you see the place image options. If you want to create rectangle types of shapes then you have to click here rectangle, or you can also use this shortcut like R. So I just click the rectangle and here you see the cursor is changed. Like right now my cursor is this, and if you click here your cursor will look like plus. So if you want to create rectangle shape then you have to click here, and after click here you have to just drag your mouse cursor like this. This is rectangle shape. This is free you can freely create the rectangle shapes. But if you want to draw the square shapes then you have to hold the shift button of your keyboard like this. Right now I am holding my shift button of my keyboard. So this is the square, and if you want to draw a rectangle shape then you have to just freely drag your cursor. So this is rectangle. If you want to draw line then you have to click here line, or you can also just press L button of your keyboard and just click here, and after that I will just drag my mouse cursor. So this is line. If you want to draw a straight line then you have to hold the shift button of your keyboard. Right now I am holding my shift button, that's why this is a straight line. So this is straight, this is line. And if you want to draw arrow then you have to click here or shift L shortcut of this arrow. So this is the arrow shapes. If you want to straight line arrow then you have to hold the shift button. Right now I am holding my shift button of my keyboard, that's why this is a straight line. Okay, this is a straight line. If you want to draw ellipse or circle in Figma software then you have to click ellipse, or you can also use shortcut that is O. Just this is the ellipse, If you want to fully standard circle then you have to press or you have to hold the shift button of your keyboard like this. Right now I am holding my shift button, that's why this is fully circle. But if you want to ellipse or oval you can just drag your mouse like this, or you can like this, you can drag your mouse like this. Okay, our next is polygon. If you want to draw polygon then you have to click here polygon, and after that you have to drag your mouse cursor like this. If you want to standard triangle then you have to hold your keyboard button, that is shift. Right now I am holding my shift button of my keyboard, that's why this is standard rectangle. So from this video you can saw the method of how to create shapes in Figma software. So that's all my today's video. If you have any feedback then please let me know. Thank you very much.